Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Grammar Session, Part 4, Articles. An article is a word used to modify a noun which can be a person, place, object or an idea. The words a, and, the are called articles. They come before nouns. ஒரு வாக்கியத்தில் பெயர் சொல்லை சுட்டிக்காட்டும் வார்த்தையைத்தான் articles என்று அழைக்கிறோம். Technically, articles are adjectives that modify nouns. Adjectives modify nouns, but articles are used to point out nouns. They are used to indicate whether a noun given in a sentence is specific or general. ஆர்டிகிள்ஸ் மூலமாக வாக்கியத்தில் வரும் பெயர் சொல் குறிப்பிட்டு யாரையாவது மென்ஷன் பண்ணுதா இல்லை பொதுவாக மீன் பண்ணுதான்னு நாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஆர்டிகிள்ஸ் ஆர் டூ டைப்ஸ். தே ஆர் டெஃபினட் ஆர்டிக்கிள் அண்ட் இன்டெஃபினட் ஆர்டிக்கிள். ஏ அண்ட் an are known as indefinite articles and are used before singular nouns. And the is known as definite article and it denotes both singular and plural nouns. For example, an orange, a pen, an ink pot, the Himalayas, the Taj Mahal. Let's discuss the uses of articles. First, let's start with the uses of article A. Article A is used before singular countable nouns which begin with consonant sound. For example, a pencil, a flower. It is used to show rank, profession or community. For example, a doctor, a Christian, a supervisor. Article A is used before words with vowel letter which has a consonant sound. For example, a 1 rupee note. Though the first letter is a vowel, we are not supposed to use an here because the word starts with the consonant sound. The same, a university. Article A is used with particular phrases like in a hurry, they went in a hurry. In a loud voice, she was shouting in a loud voice. A nuisance, smoking is a public nuisance. Let's see where can we use the article an. An is used before singular countable nouns which begin with the vowel sound. Example, an umbrella, an ostrich. An is used before words which begin with consonant letter but has a vowel sound. Example, an honest man, an hour. Though the first letter is a consonant, we place the article an because the word starts with the vowel sound. An is used before certain abbreviations which begin with the vowel sound though they have consonants in the beginning. An MLA, an MP. Next, let's see the uses of definite article the. We use article the when we refer to a particular person or thing. For example, I saw the boy who is my neighbor. Here, noun boy. So we have added the article the boy because the subject what is mentioned here he is very sure about the boy because he is his neighbor. And the is used with the common name when it represents the whole class. For example, the lotus is the national flower of India. The is used with nouns which are names of unique things like the sun, the sky. The is used with superlatives, the tallest building, the oldest man. The is used with words like first, last, next, only, same. For example, the same boy, the next lesson, the only flower. These used with names of rivers, oceans, seas, mountains, trains, with historical monuments, newspapers, holy books, directions before adjectives in the superlative. Next, let's see the omissions of articles. ஆர்டிகிள்ஸை எங்கெங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது எவ்வளோ முக்கியமோ அதே அளவு எங்கெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னும் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். Articles should not be used before substances and abstract nouns. For example, sugar. Sugar is sweet. We are not supposed to say the sugar is sweet. Honesty is the best policy. An article should not be used before most of the proper nouns. India is my country. Minu is my best friend. Articles should not be used before names of meals. For example, dinner is ready for you. Articles should not be used before languages. For example, I teach English. Before names of relations also we are not supposed to use articles. Mother has gone to market. When a noun is used in general sense, in this case also we are not supposed to use articles. For example, wheat gives us natural fiber. Before names of days, months and seasons also we have to omit the articles. Monday is the first day of the week. Dear students, I hope and believe that you have understood the topic. Thank you. Happy learning.